Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert 3D model in MS Word. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Word application. I just want to insert a 3D model. What I have to do here? On top you will find an option called insert menu. Just hit the insert menu. You will have a 3D models over here in your downside. So just hit the button 3D models. You will find entire types of 3D models will be available through the online or offline, so you can check it out from that. For example, you want all animated models are there, animated animals are there, animated for education is there, so you can find if these are the symbols which is animated one. So these are the models which is 3D models. For example, I just want to animated models for the animals or any other things. I just hit the button. So if you are finding out any other art related for the science classes or environmental sciences you are going to do, means just hit any other types of animated and just click insert option. Automatically your animation will be insert in your Word document, so it will be connect through your Word document so that you can see. And if you are sharing the information through the online means also, it will be easy to get your entire things to be animated. So it will take time to insert the image, because from there bringing that image, as you see here, so the animation is coming on the way. So you can send this animations, or if you can send the files, means they can able to see, the students can able to see if you're creating the document. For example, I just go to insert and I just click here to 3D models. For only I need a insert a 3D models, I can have a lot of models will be available. Or if you want to search in search box, you can search in search box science. You can type in science and just search, means the science related things will be open here, so you can click and insert the time. Means for example, you want like a brain 3D model, just select and insert, means the brain 3D model without animation will be insert in your document. So it will download and insert your document so that it will be easy to have access. So I just keep it here. I just want to rotate this one, so I can rotate and show to the students. So this is a left and right brain I can able to see with a 3D model, so that it will be easy for the students to understand. And you can move this one, the center button will be scrolling, or you can turn to the 3D model. So this is a beautiful option. I think the Word has provided for the students and the professionals, those who are creating the document, those who want to show the information through the medium of 3D visual effects. They can use this option to insert. For example, you have a 3D models has a different types of styles you can have, and you can click and insert whatever you want. So I've insert the brain. The brain has a different type of styles will be available. You can insert and have access for that, so that it will be easy to access the students and the professionals, who those who are creating the document with the 3D models. So you can use this and create your beautiful document with 3D models and access with your clients as well as your students. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.